Hey guys, this lesson we're going to be talking about polygons and triangles. Our student objectives for this lesson are to define and identify triangles and polygons, and also to label different parts of a triangle. The essential questions: what is a polygon and what is a triangle? And then below you have your standards. So this may seem like a fairly simple question for you, but what exactly is a polygon? Can you define it? A polygon is any flat shape with three or more sides. Polygons are closed figures, which means that all their lines come to a point. There's no space. Think of like a closed-in fence. If the fence is in a closed-off area, you can't go in without either jumping over the fence or opening up a gate. Now, in geometry, we mostly talk about regular polygons. A regular polygon just means that all the sides are equal. So down here you see some odd-looking shapes that don't look exactly equal. Those are still polygons, they're just not regular polygons. So here we see if all the sides of the polygon are the same and all the angles as well, then the polygon is considered to be a regular polygon. So now that we know what a polygon is, what is a triangle? A triangle can be simply defined as a polygon with three sides. A regular triangle is a triangle with all equal sides and equal angles. Just like we said, a regular polygon has all equal sides and all equal angles. Well, a regular triangle is a regular three-sided polygon. That has a special name. It's called an equilateral triangle, and we'll get into that later. Triangles have three sides and three vertices. Vertices are the points of the triangles. There's a picture up to the right you can look at. Just some basic information. If vertices share a common side, then they are consecutive vertices. For example, if this vertex and this vertex, if they're consecutive, that means that they share this side right here. If sides share a common vertex, then they're consecutive sides. For example, this side and this side are consecutive because they share this vertex. And then if two angles share a common side, then they're consecutive angles. So just like with the vertices, these two angles right here share this side, so they are consecutive angles. Triangles are labeled by their vertices. The notation, this right here, it's a little triangle, is a shorthand for the word triangle. We use this so we do not have to write the entire word out. So you see that in the example right down here. This would be triangle A, B, C. Direction is important when you're talking about labeling triangles, and this will come into play later, but it's important. When we say triangle ABC, we're labeling it in this direction. So we're going from vertex A to vertex B to vertex C. The order of the vertices in the name of the triangle is the order in which we go around the triangle. So for example, if we said triangle CBA instead, we'd still be correct, but we're labeling it in a different direction. So it would be CBA. It's the same way when we're talking about the angles, and this will come into play later as well. The order of the vertices in the name of the angle is the order in which we go around the triangle. Around the angle. If we have angle CBA, it means we are starting at vertex C, going to vertex B, and then to vertex A. We're still talking about this angle. We can also call it angle B. All right? But we're labeling it CBA. That means we're going around this way. We could also label it as ABC, but we would be going the opposite direction. And just one last thing about triangles. The interior angles add up to 180 degrees. Every single triangle, the sum of three interior angles will be 180 degrees. Each vertex also has two exterior angles. Each exterior angle is the sum of the two other interior angles, and we'll get more into that in another lesson. And that's all I have for you in this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned some things. Go try your homework assignment, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me on BBIM or text or email, and be sure to come to live class and we can go over some examples. Thanks.